a horse by the name Ghana.
Uhoro uyu urekereirio ni munini wa Inspector General wa mbuto ya borithi guku bururi-ini Gilbert Masengeli hindi ya icera riake na atongoria a kiama gia kuramata muthako wa utwarithia wa mbarathi kambi-ini ya borithi cia kuhitana na uici wa mahiu mwena wa Gilgil county-ini ya Nakuru.
Unlike those old days when you could see a police horse riding just in order to suppress the rioters group, this time round it has been used to train and also team up with other trainers to ensure we nurture the talent.
Masengeli augite ikinya riri ni riguteithiriria hari kurehe hamwe maafitha a borithi na muingi to guku Gilgil ende guothe bururi-ini.
We are out to partner with the community, the citizens. We are here because of them. They are there, they have employed us. So at all times expect we'll better their services to ensure we are very professional. We are partnering with them because they are our sisters, they are our brothers, and we will work hand in hand together to ensure that we live another level.
We must thank you most sincerely because you are nurturing young talents. We've seen children from the community, local community participating, and very young children, and that is the way to go. Horse riding has been associated to big clubs, but now we are bringing in new energy because we are partnering together.
Kiama kia muthako wa utwarithia wa mbarathi guku bururi-ini ugite ikinya riri ni rikuhura njeki gukura kwaguo guku bururi-ini.
We should be able to take our teams to the next level. We should be able to participate in national events. We should be able to participate in international events, and probably even some of the most renowned sports activities that happen all over the world.
Honge cia ugitiri ni ithiete na mbere kumatia ndugu na muingi guku bururi-ini kuona mubira-ini wa maguru kiharo kia Ulinzi Complex na gia Police Sacco ni ikoretwo ikiguna muingi wa kaunti ya Nairobi hindi ya mbitika cia mubira wa maguru. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV iharo-ini ritwa riakwa ni Captain Festus Lango.